Yeah, bitches. Drone package. Oh, actually, you know what? We can open this one. Oh, Jesus. I went way too low. God damn it. It kind of worked. Wait, did I just miss it? Oh, I just missed it. All double tape? There we go. Money. Don't step on it. Yeah. Spencer from, you guys know who GIMBALGOD? Sure, this is disgusting. So, Spencer from, if you guys follow him on Instagram, I'll tag a little thing for him right here, a little video. His name's GIMBALGOD, otherwise. I know he makes some sick-ass snowboarding edits. You guys probably like, everybody, he's like 100,000 followers on Instagram, whatever. DJI, Phantom 4 Pro, and Spencer, GIMBALGOD, thanks for sending me this shit, bro. I'm fucking pumped, dude. Oh my god, that's so much. Dear God, I'm gonna pay somebody to clean that up. There's no fucking way I'm doing that. So, because you guys keep bitching about me and my quality. Boom! Look at that fucking thing. Damn, that's nice. Sexy. DJI. Dude, this is dope. Holy shit, this is dope. Like a really big toy right now, like a remote control. Full on video game. The dopest. What else we got? Extra propellers. Here's the drone right here. And there they go. Yo, that's nice. Nice ass camera too. It's a 4K camera. So I'll be able to shoot some super sick vids. Catch some cars rolling. That is, if you ask me, that's a dope ass setup. What did I just do? Oh, I did something. Oh, I just turned it on. No, don't turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Those things are gonna spin now, I bet. No, turn off. Yep, I knew it. See, this looks dangerous.
Actually gonna step outside of the room.
Oh my god. Alright, I don't know what to do with this right now. Charger, extra battery pack, ND filters. Bro, he plugged it. Hooked me up. Alright, and I got a full-on, brand new just kidding. A brand new gimbal from him. This is cool. So it's like this, like my GoPro, like the DJI Osmo 2. This is like the GoPro Karma grip, how like, you know, stabilizes and shit here. But it is for the big cam, and I can rock it with one handle, or I can go with a 2 grip setup and do some do a dual thing, I think. Here's the single handle right here, so I can put it on the handle and just like rock around with that. But wow, HHHHHwhatup A2000 and a drone that won't shut off. Yeah, this is the worst idea I've ever had. This is just the biggest mess. Give you guys a little overview real fast of what the package came with that he really plugged me with. We got, yes, DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus with the 5-inch screen or 6-inch screen, and the A2000 from HHHHHwhatup. Okay, this guy's great, but I'm gonna do this thing myself because I can't wait for that. So let's set up this DJI. God, I want to say DJI, but it's not DJI. It's just like the way the G comes off. You know, you just want to like send it like that. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus from Spenny, the GIMBALGOD himself. Battery's already in there. I think I got some charge. Actually, there it is. And now we're just gonna pull the. I'll pull the camera cover off in a minute. I'm gonna drop that in a second. I just want to make sure I get the propellers on there. Stationary, get the controller out, figure out the settings. If I need to throw a filter on there, I will. It's pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure I can figure all this out. If you're setting up a Phantom 4 Pro, black line around that one. You got black dots on these little peckers over here. Okay? Black dots on the top of that. And then this one's going to be gray dots, or the gray silver propeller over here. And that's going to be on the ones that don't have black dots. So that's a real quick learning curve. That's what I get for not watching that video. I just get too impatient when somebody's taking absolutely forever to explain something. Like that video, props to that guy for doing it, but like his video is 25 minutes long. I ain't got no fucking time for that, bro. It already has like an iPhone size, like iPhone Plus size screen on there instead of using your iPhone on a mount that drains your battery. So I am pretty stoked to be able to use this. All right, this should be interesting. Let's give this bitch a go. Oh, what's up, cat? How you doing, girl? Looking all cute and shit. What's up, cutie? All right, let's give this thing a go. I'm gonna go power on there and then power on here because every video I watched, or that one video I watched, didn't really give me any tips yet. There we go, power's on. DJI, that is gangster. I wonder if it's a touchscreen. Oh, it is touchscreen. Yo, that's gangster. God, this thing just got a whole lot better. Let's try it. I should have read the instructions. Shut up. Oh, you shut up. All right, I got the camera at least stopped down, you guys, so that's kind of cool, which is the dial in the back. But I'm not sure how to fly it yet, so I'm going to have to maybe watch the video real quick to see. Nerve-wracking.
Okay, so do you?
Sure. Oh, there it goes! Yeah! Holy shit, that is so sick! What?
Go slower.
What? Oh, I can see myself in the camera. That is so dope. Wow! Oh shit!
Let me go get Alec.
That is so cool.
I can't really see it.
Alec, yeah, come here.
Here, I'll go get.
God, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Watch this shit. Look at that. Oh my, what is it beeping for? Low battery? I don't want to hear that shit. You get 29%? Damn, this battery's going fast. That's tight. Oh shit. Go up, go up, go. There we go. Flying this with one hand right now. This is nuts. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, it's fun. It's so tight. That is the scariest thing I've ever seen. It's so cool though. Wow, can't wait to recharge that and just fly that around later when it's not so windy. This is so neat. I'm gonna be able to spy on everybody. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do any of that. This will be some sick auto shots though. So once I get like the settings down for the camera quality, it's on Cinelike D, which I kind of like because I can like expose out of that too and make some nice stuff happen. But once I get like the settings and the color profile down that I want, I'll be able to shoot some really dope vids. Hey, all right, this is day 2 of me checking out the drone, flying it. Gonna try and get a little more tech savvy with it. Again, I don't have a memory card in there. I might go and grab my GoPro. Hey, do not interrupt the video again with your meowing antics. I don't want to hear it. I just don't. No, not into it. I'll give you a pet though. That's what you really want. Is that what you want, girl? Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'm gonna go back to my drone now. Cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and get a little more savvy with this and see if I can like actually learn how to fly it correctly. So far, it's a little touchy. It's not that it's touchy, it's just it's hard to, you know, learn how to do. There we go. Powering on. You have to hold the power button if you're gonna do it. The beautiful screen and display from DJI for sure. Come on. There we go. Oh, shit. There it goes. All right. All right, here's the only thing that's kind of sketch about me flying a drone in my area is I have an airport right there. Every time an aircraft flies across, or flies over, or I go past those phone lines, the thing starts beeping like crazy. Not tweaking out, but it starts sending warnings and stuff, so it's kind of funny. So I gotta be careful like with like flying too crazy and stuff. But it's crazy how far you can go. I'm so scared to go any farther because like I'm flying, you know, a lot of cash. But it's dope. It's dope to be able to like bring it like 3 houses down and go hella high in the air and then come back. It's so sick. All right, you guys aren't gonna be able to see this, but I drew a path for like my drone to fly and follow, and it's doing it right now. It's kind of sick. Let's see if I can change the camera distance. Oh yeah, look at that. I drew a path, so it's just flying on its own. It's just out there by itself, flying on its own. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, there it is, right there.
Is it going back?
It's so tight. Look at that shit. That's how you know, so you can film aerial shit like this. You just like set it on a pathway and do it. That's so cool. God, what a crazy piece of tech. This is nuts. The amount of Diablo I got over there, bro. That is so intense. I want to push this forward and just go slowly. Look at this. Look how sexy this view is. You guys, flying that drone is the coolest. My eyes are like coked out right now because I'm so juiced off that. That was so cool. That is the coolest thing I've ever flown or done or any kind of remote control I've ever messed with. wow, it's exhilarating. It's a rush because like you can fly it so far and just like look at everything. Oh, it's so cool. Love that thing. I'm gonna put an SD card in it once I charge the battery and get it going. I just flew it for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes and then the battery's dead. So it uses a lot of juice. These are thick ass battery packs if you look at them. That's an animal right there. But awesome, 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 awesome drone. So cool.